Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is... Well, I didn't plan to make this video, but I'm modding The Witcher 3 right now, and I'm having problems that, content, blah blah blah, script error, please fix, and then you go on Google, on Reddit, and ask people. I mean, I never ask, I just use Google and see. And there were a lot of people who say, like, go into a GUI and replace this line and delete this line. And it never really worked. And we are now in, as you see, July 2019. And if you said, okay, I want to replay, I was about to say Fallout 4, The Witcher 3. Well, I have a simple fix. And I'm still trying to get my game running. And I made something very simple, right? So we have the mod folder. That's where my current mods are. As you see, let me make that a little bit bigger. We have the merged files. This is just something, that's all the merged stuff basically, right? Then we have these here with the character names. This is just a mod that replaces, I think, something of the textures of the faces or something like that. So you can ignore these. Then we have the mods here that are apparently working. So we have the monsters rework mod, HD rework, that's the textures and stuff, something monster pack, no idea what that is, probably belongs to something. We have new heavy clouds, no lens effect, volumetric clouds, PLM patch, because I have the big Phoenix lighting mod on. We have the one mod where you can spawn in, like with the C button, like a roach, just a wolf in this case. Then we have worthy trophies that changes the values, makes trophies better. We have the big Phoenix lighting mod, the updated one. And we have something that the action log stays 5 seconds on the screen instead of 0.75 milliseconds, alright. Then I made a folder for testing. I just called it V3 mods. This is the other mods I want to use. Let me just quickly explain. Cheaper rune rights, make them cheaper. Combat stance, something about, well, combat stances. I didn't even finish Witcher 3. I played it when it came out, played until Skellige and then dropped it. So yeah, this is, I think, something with looting. So monsters drop something a little bit more. Of course, we have the quest objectives, the very important mod, objectives for quests on maps and stuff, so you don't have to go into your journal all the time. Natural torchlight, this is the most important mod I want to get working. It basically removes levels from all creatures and makes the game way more interesting. And no random day encounters, also very cool. I mean, the name says it. Roach never stops and smart magic amp. And one of these mods breaks the game. I think it's fixable even if it breaks the game, but since I only mod Fallout 4 and not Witcher 3, we have to see who it is, right? So I just started the game and it worked. So I'm using the script merger, right? By the way, ignore this. This is just the lighting mod with the texture mod. There is no problem there. Mod animations, volumetric clouds. Oh, by the way, I'm doing this for a Witcher playthrough. At least I try to play through the game on my channel, right? So you can see it later. First we need to fix the game, right? Stop talking, more fixing, I know. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the no levels mod because I really want that working, and I'm really hoping... Oops, that's wrong. I'm really hoping that this is not the mod that causes all the issues, because then I'm actually probably need to scan the mod page a little bit more, and see what the hell is going on. Then we refresh. By the way, I just got the script merger like today as well. I mean, I didn't have to fix any errors manually. The program did it for me, but yeah. So, mod animations, no levels, blah blah blah. Okay, no unresolved errors. Okay, now We try start the game and we pray. We pray that I'm not getting an error because I really want to use the no level mod. And if it's no levels, then well fuck, I have to probably search the mod page for a resolution. Aha! Okay, it's that mod. Where's my mouse? Jesus. Okay. Error content. Yeah, that's the main error I get all the time, where it tells you, hey, go to line 73 and delete this. What is it called? Get chosen main menu type, you know, and the line 397. I did that, and then the game doesn't even want to compile scripts anymore. So that's crazy, right? So I have to fix that one manually, get this one out of here. Right. Boink. And then, just to see if it's only that one, but let's still go step by step. Let's get the smart magic lamp, roach never stops, the torchlight, and cheaper rune right. Let's get these ones because they seem to influence the less. Right, let's put them in here. Boom. Now we go back into script module. We delete the old ones. Refresh just in case. Yeah. Okay. Now we do this. Create merges. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Uh-huh. Well, that at the top is the reshape I got. So, you know, it's just something for later. I need to do it in game. But so when I go to options now, and no, not language, mods. The only one that's the is that an empty mod? Oh, that's the combat stance. Yeah, this is even though this sounds broken, it's not broken. It's just something with localization. Who cares? If I get later in the game errors, you know, like there's like an enemy that says missing something, there is a localization mod that fixes that. But unless I don't have this problem in game and only here, I'm gonna fix it later. But yeah, as you see, Wolf Companion, the stuff is in here and should work. Just for you guys who want to use this mod and don't read the posts, you summon him with C apparently. When you press C again, it stops, like it's like waiting, and when you double press C, it's you are dismissing him. Because when you use the Wolf Companion, he's very strong, and when he kills something, you don't get EXP for it. Some could say that's annoying, some could say that's immersive. You can think what you want about that. But yeah, okay, let's put in the other stuff. So no random daytime encounters. Oh, maybe combat stance didn't work because I didn't fucking copy the fucking mod back in. That could be it as well. Anyway, mod combat stance. Yeah, I'm doing stuff single step by step now because these things change more than simple stuff basically. 0 0 0 0 0. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, looks like the combat stance. I wonder now that we have the the mod folder back in. I wonder if the localization error is gone. I have to see that.
Order, you pay. Faster than my bow.
I don't like all these stragglers here.
Wait a second.
What? Okay.
Why did the stream suddenly go active again? Jesus. Ha! Fixed it! Okay. Fixed it! Makes me happy. So, okay. Next mod. I want this one really bad. Because it basically removes all the... Well, you could say in the beginning it's maybe immersive, but later on it gets a little bit annoying and tedious, you know? When every time you try to explore something or you go from A to B and like there's a fucking enemy encounter every like 20 seconds. It's a little bit annoying. So we try this. Put it in there. Delete the old merges. By the way, you don't have to delete the old merges, but I'm just doing it because I'm not that experienced, so I don't want to merge a merge with a merge. Right, so I just do it from the beginning like that. Sometimes you get a little window popping up here that tells you, like shows you the path of where the file is stored. That can get a little bit annoying, but there's a little check mark at the bottom left where you can basically turn that off and then just press OK, 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 OK. Also, if you're trying to get that very popular reshape mod, it's called something photorealistic, maybe not. I'm not sure which one was it, but there is one that, oh god, what was it called? Yeah, fuck, here it is. Photorealistic reshade. When you get this one, you need exactly, so you don't get any errors. I think you need reshade 3.4.1, and the guy who made the mod has in the post section a link to the repository where you can get the 3.4.1 mod. And there's also something you need to keep in mind, and when you use the reshade you need to go into the options menu and you need to turn up depth of field. You need to turn off unless you're gonna have a blurry interface. Basically depth of field applies also to the menu, and that's kinda weird, but that's what you got with reshape, right? It's not an EMB. But yeah, just keep in mind to turn that shit off. But I also have, I think it's the readme. Yeah, I have the readme open here. Yeah, as he said, right, depth of field included. It's not meant for gameplay, turn that off. Yada yada. Okay, next mod. Yeah, let's do quest objectives. Also a very important mod, and see how that goes. Also try, I mean, sure you want to use a lot of mods, but I'm trying not to overload, like really just use the stuff where you're really like, oh my god, I need this, or am I using this all the time? You know what I mean? Stuff like that. So sometimes you need to use common sense and see if stuff is not compatible with each other. Even though the script merger can merge stuff together for you, you know, it's not a magic tool that will resolve conflicts. Like, for example, if you use several mods that like fiddle around with HUD elements like friendly HUD and then something else with HUDs, and then boom, you have a problem, right? Or like, yeah, stuff. But sometimes it's really helpful to just go into the post section and read the first 2 or 3 pages and see what's going on, right? Okay, so looks like, what is it called again? The HUD, not HUD, the icons thing is working, okay. The last mod on our list is a very old mod that increases the drop rate a little bit, so let's hope that one is working, even though it's not that important. Okay, when this is working, we are actually going into the mod page of no levels. Also, if you are thinking about remodding Witcher 3, feel free to check out the no level mod. It sounds amazing, you know, removing all the bullet sponginess, if you can call it bullets in this game, but the sponginess is removed from the enemies and it's just cool. I just show you the pictures in a second. But this one is working, okay. Now we have to fix the last one, right? Close, close, close. Phoenix photorealistic. Okay, this can be. What was it called? No 11? Was pretty new. Where is it? Level. Ah, here it is. Let me just quickly show you that mod. It came out April 1. So through 3 months ago, was updated 4 days ago. Basically, just to tell you here, weapons, armors, enemies, allies have fixed stats which are not affected by their level. Mod features reasonable item service prices but allow to use original game prices. Mod features a few bug fixes, configurable convenience improvements, minor gameplay changes, blah blah blah. It's like before the mod. We have this here, right? Level 1 Geralt. Crossbow makes flying monsters fall to the ground out of sheer bewilderment. If Geralt will try to hit a Drana with a fist, he will knock out himself. Even bare fists are more effective against magical beings than a steel sword. This is not armor. And level 1 Witcher silver sword that should have been thrown away right after slaying ghouls in prologue. Right? Firecracker. Nearly immortal, hits like a truck, level 35 Drowners. And then you go to the second picture, basically Geralt. Deadly ranged combat tool, doesn't even need a sword to kill a monster. One simple silver sword enough to fight any monster. Can go straight to Eredin in this armor, but better equip something more protective. Better still use it against humans, but will do against monsters too. A bomb, afraid of dying, hits like a drowner, drowners, screams in fear. So that basically makes the game, you could say, more immersive basically, right? Yeah. So let's see. Extract mod no levels or mod no levels slide folder from archive, move into Witcher 3 mods folder. I did that. Oh shit, oh my god, I'm so stupid. If your game is Game of the Year edition, could not find function get chosen main menu type, oh my god. Script compilation error occurs. Copy with replace mod no levels. Really, don't tell me. Oh my god. Patch for the Game of the Year version of the game. Use in case could not find. Copy with replace a top main folder. What the fuck does that mean in English? Copy would replace a top main mod folder. What? Let's just do cut out, put it back in. Is it actually mod no levels? Okay. Oh, he wanted me to replace it. Now I get it. Oh god, I'm so stupid. Okay, let's hope that shit works now. Let's delete the merges. Refresh, just in case. Of course you could still get in-game errors, but to be honest, when I modded for, The Witcher 3 for the first time and played it for 2 days and then deleted the game, I didn't have any errors in-game. Otherwise, yeah. Okay, let's create merges again. Okay. Great. Let's minimize that and try it again, and let's hope that whatever I downloaded fixed the shit. Oh god, I just want to play the game before it's midnight, so I can get 1 episode out right after this video. For the love of God, please. Oh my god, it worked! Jesus Christ. Did it work? It could have worked. No, it didn't work. Or maybe it's still booting. I have no fucking idea. But, I mean, many of you probably don't use the no-level mod, right? But I want to use it. I'm finding a way to fix it. But I can't really show you the reshape in-game because apparently you open the reshape menu in-game with Shift F2. And Shift F2 is the button I use to start and end recordings. So that doesn't work. But yeah. I'm probably, let's say I'm not uploading this video until I have found a fix. So if you, I mean, all this stuff I told earlier is working, of course, only the no-level mod is fucking stuff up. I'm trying to find a fix. If I find a fix and you see this video, because this is basically the end, right? Go into the comment section of the YouTube video. I'm having a post there that is pinned that tells you the resolution of whatever the hell I did to fix this problem. Because, well, it fixed the problem, but the game is not starting anymore, yeah? So something is going on. Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the YouTube comment section to see the resolution. Bye.